Hi all, welcome back to our channel The Yash Studios. It's our third video and it's going to be about a recipe. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Today's recipe is Badam Puri, the famous dish of South India. Ingredients required for Badam Puri. Firstly, all-purpose flour, curds, ghee, sugar, 1 bowl, cardamom, grated coconut, grated badam and oil. Take a bowl, 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of ghee, mix it properly, some water. Knead the dough. You can add water as much as you want till it comes to a smooth dough. Now let's start making sugar syrup. 2 cups of sugar with the same amount of water. It is boiled until it becomes sticky. Just check like this and it is seen that whether it is sticky. After continuous stirring, now you can add cardamom powder for this. Now start rolling the small dough pieces exactly round, and you can also fold them in a right angle way so that you have good layers in the badam puri. This is the way it is done. Yes, again it is being turned in and out so that it will have good layers in it. Now it is prepared. Now start frying it in a heated oil pan. Fry it properly on both the sides. Till it turns to the brown yellow color. We have almost finished the frying. Now it is put into the sugar syrup and leave in the syrup for 10 minutes. Soak it properly. All the sides. Now it is ready for serving. Sprinkle some grated coconut and grated badam on it. Now the badam puri is ready to serve. The tasty and mouth-watering recipe for everyone, elders and children as well. We thank you all for watching our video.